Okay, I made a start on repairing the Otop. As you can see at the moment I've done the cowl, that's all fiberglassed on the inside. Strengthened that joint up in the middle and into the broken area at the front. On the outside I put filler in for the holes. That'll want sanding down and perhaps another batch of filler. See how we go when we've sanded it back tomorrow. But that's the cowl, and then you'll see I've done the same on the fuselage inside. Put white tape on the outside. That's just to give it some support and shape. And then I'll fill it all in tomorrow. But that's just got to be left to be set now. Want some undulation squeezing out as it starts to dry, but as it is, let's say for about another 15-20 minutes, can't do anything else but run the right way with it. Okay, done another step further on the repairs. So the glass clothing inside had dried. I've just sanded all the nose up to see if I can get some kind of alignment on what needs doing regarding filling. So the top's not too bad, just little bits here and there, and underneath will need quite a bit of filling, but let me say quite pleased. So this area will need filling. I couldn't get this back in. I'm going to put a wooden plate either this side or this side, not sure yet, and glue it on and bring it all back to shape. But the more I work on it, the less damage there seems to be, thankfully, to the nose. So we're coming on nicely on the fuselage anyway. Okay, the cowl's come up quite good as well. I'll put some undercoat on it first just to make sure it's sanded down enough, but you can see inside it's now quite strong. Okay, the fuselage is now all sanded down and ready for painting. Already been putting bits of undercoat on, as you'll see, just to make sure I've got the everything flat and level as much as possible. You can see the wooden washer that I've installed just to strengthen the front end up. I'll mount the motor a little bit different than where it was, though I'm not mounting it to the front wall. So, but hopefully once it's sprayed, it'll be very difficult to see there was a problem or see the repair. So overall, very pleased. Okay, as you can see now, I'm completed all the rebuild and paint work on it. Like the colour match. It's still a little bit dull in the front area because I've got to polish it back, but I'm going to leave it now for 2 or 3 days. Really let it cure off. So, but as you can see, not too bad. Not brilliant, but not too bad, it's good enough. I'll cut the air vents back out as well once it's all cured. Just get it on a dense finish first. Quite pleased, bit of bleeding here, but that's all. So, no, I'm very pleased. Just roll it onto this side. Again, the air vents just want cutting out. So, put the motor back in, which will be mounted on the black lines, or within the 2 black lines. So, a little bit different than last time because the motor was mounted to the front wall, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to mount it on the on a plate. It fits in lovely into this instep and everything. So once I get some good glue, get it all fixed in, and we should be good to go. Okay, as you can see now, the lower cowl's complete. All the masking tape's off. Very pleased with the finish on that. You can't see the seam that was running